حدثنا موسى بن إسماعيل حدثنا همام قال أخبرني قتادة عن صفوان بن محرز المازني قال بينما أنا أمشي مع ابن عمر رضي الله عنهما آخذ بيده إذ عرض رجل فقال كيف سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم في النجوى فقال سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم يقول إن لله يدني المؤمن فيضع عليه كنفه ويستره فيقول أتعرف ذنب كذا أتعرف ذنب كذا فيقول نعم رب حتى إذا قرره بذنوبه ورأى في نفسه أنه هلك قال سترتها عليك في الدنيا وأنا أغفرها لك اليوم فيعطى كتاب حسناته. وأما الكافر والمنافقون فيقول الأشهاد هؤلاء الذين كذبوا على ربهم اللعنة لله على الظالمين.
Narrated Safwan bin Muriz al-Mazini. While I was walking with Ibn Umar holding his hand, a man came in front of us and asked, "What have you heard from Allah's Messenger about and I with the conversation that will happen between Allah and humans?" Ibn Umar said, "I heard Allah's Messenger saying, Allah will bring a believer near him and shelter him with his screen and ask him, 'Did you commit such and such sins?' He will say, 'Yes, my Lord.' Allah will keep on asking him till he will confess all his sins and will think that he is ruined. Allah will say, 'I did screen your sins in the world and I forgive them for you today,' and then he will be given the book of his good deeds. Regarding infidels and hypocrites, their evil acts will be exposed publicly and the witnesses will say, 'These are the people who lied against their Lord. Behold, the curse of Allah is upon the wrongdoers.'"